When the wind-whipped flames raced through the hills near Bonzo, California, hundreds were forced to flee, running for their lives. Among them, top thoroughbreds, some fast enough for the Kentucky Derby, now in a panic sprint from the elite San Luis Rey Training Center. But the one thing almost as fast as the flames is the community that galvanized in an instant to lend a hand.
My heart just said, go.
The Del Mar Fairgrounds became the sanctuary. 850 horses evacuated here. Now joined by hundreds of volunteers, doing whatever's necessary to give basic care and comfort to those who now need a home. Mark Farrington is from Florida, here in California for a conference, still dressed in his loafers.
We took a break and I said, I'll be back later. I'm going to go over and see how I can help out across the street.
You left the conference?
I left the conference.
Today, closed schools don't mean sleeping in, but pitching in, collecting donations for firefighters and evacuees, everyone doing their part.
It's just part of being part of the human community and just having a care and consideration and compassion for other people.
People who may still worry about the raging infernos, but at least know their community won't hesitate to help. Kristen Dahlgren, NBC News, Del Mar, California.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.